we're going back to exploring the DWG file. It's available in the description box. Shortcut menu, what is it? How do we use it, and how do I activate it, or what is it exactly? We'll learn that through this process and through this video, but make sure that you have this file downloaded so you can do exactly the same as I do. Let's zoom to this little area in here. Let's say this is, for example, it's a kitchen and this is a reception area. So I'll zoom in here by scrolling my wheel. I'll bring the cursor in here. Let's say I want to extend this wall to the side. So I should make sure what type of layer is this wall so I can build it in here. So I'll leave my cursor in here and it shows me the type of layer. So I go here, click, and make sure that the same layer of that wall is selected. And I'll choose the line command because I want to draw the wall on that side. But before that, when you come in here and click, make sure all these are ticked just like mine. You have the center, midpoint, and endpoint, and parallel, and so on. And this one is turned off, so you can draw at any angle that you want, not only 90 degrees. So I have the command active because it's asking me to specify a first point. So I'll specify this as a first point and come in here, and let's say I want to draw it like this. If I right click, I get this shortcut menu. It has many things as a default, which are these 4 things, and as well as these. So if I hit enter, it's the equivalent of hitting enter on your keyboard. It will cancel the command. I got this that I drew and I canceled the command. Easy as that. I'll choose the line command again, and let's say I'll continue just to show you a couple things in the shortcut menu. If I click, and right now I'll hit the right click. If I choose undo, it will undo the last point that I gave. If I right click again and press undo, it will undo the last point before that as well. Now I'll hit escape button just to cancel the command. If you noticed, we have undo in here in the quick access toolbar. So I'll draw something like this and this, hit escape button to cancel the command. If I press it, it will cancel the whole line segment that I did, which is very different from the undo in the shortcut menu. Now if I select this segment, let's say, or this line, and right click in here, I get a different type of shortcut menu. I can repeat undo or recent input, the inputs that I gave, or I can copy, I can cut this object, and I can isolate. Also with my editing tool, I can erase it, move it, and copy the selection. Although I have some of these are in here, but although you can go and find these editing tools in here. If I come in here to isolate and isolate object, it will delete, or temporarily, let's say, deletes all these other things that I have, only shows the thing that I had it selected. If I right click again and end objects isolation, it will bring me back the whole things. Now I don't want this, so I'll hit the delete button on my keyboard, and if I double click on my wheel, it will zoom to its extent. So it will give me the whole drawing project that I have on my drawing window. And if you can see this small star sign, let's say, it shows that we haven't saved the project. If I hit this save button in the quick access toolbar, you'll notice it's gone because it's been saved.